Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Today I am discussing important question of HPGK. Let's start the question number 31. Which of the following facts are correct? Option A, outer Siraj area is in Kullu. B, Transgiri area is in Sirmaur. C, both are correct. D, only A is correct. The correct answer is option number C, both are correct. Question number 32. Lahore is a derivative of Tibetan word. Option A, Lahore mean country in the south. B, Lahore mean country of the gods. C, both. D, none. The correct answer is option number C, both are correct. Question number 33. Which district is touched by the Ladar mountain range? Option A, Kullu. B, Mandi. C, Kangra. D, all. The correct answer is option number D, all. Question number 34. Which of the following districts of HP are fully situated in Shivalik zone? Option A, Mandi. B, Una. C, Chamba. D, Solan. The correct answer is option number B, Una. As we know, Shivalik is ancient time known as Menak Parvat. Question number 35. Which place is known as the Little Greece in Himachal? Option A, Malana. B, McLeodganj. C, Palampur. D, Kasol. The correct answer is option number A, Malana, Kullu. Question number 36. Chandrakherni crescent-shaped or lunar sickle pass is located in option A, Kinnaur. B, Kullu. C, Dharamshala. D, Shimla. The correct answer is option number B, Kullu. Question number 37. Rohtang Pass, which literally mean a pile of corpses, is in option A, Kinnaur. B, Lahaul Spiti. C, Kullu. D, Dharamshala. The correct answer is option number C, Kullu. Question number 38. Which of the following passes with their location and altitude are correct? Option A, Darati between Chamba and Pangi. B, Waru between Kangra and Chamba. C, Sanch between Chamba and Pangi. D, all the correct. The correct answer is option number B, Waru between Kangra and Chamba. Question number 39. Who from Himachal has travelled to the world highest motorable pass, Khardungla, on a motorcycle? Option A, Sanjay Sharma. B, Bhupinder Singh. C, Rajesh Kumar. D, Ravi Gupta. The correct answer is option number B, Bhupinder Singh. Question number 40. Himachal was declared a hill state in option A, 1965 AD. B, 1964 AD. C, 1966 AD. D, 1963 AD. The correct answer is option number C, 1966 AD. Question number 41. The lake connected with the name of Lord Parshuram and sage Chamdagini is option A, Renuka Lake. B, Suraj Dal. C, Govind Sagar Lake. D, Kuntvi Ho. The correct answer is option number A, Renuka Lake. Question number 42. Which are the other famous valley in Mandi district? Option A, Chontada Valley. B, Chuhar Valley. C, Bahal Valley. D, all. The correct answer is option number D, all valleys are in Mandi district. Question number 43. Haban Valley is in option A, Rajgarh Sirmaur. B, Rampur Shimla. C, Naldehra Shimla. D, Kullu. The correct answer is option number A, Rajgarh Sirmaur. Question number 44. Name the lake in Upper Himalayan region which breached recently and caused heavy floods in Satluj River. Option A, Parichu. B, Nako. C, Chandranahan. D, Karali. The correct answer is option number A, Parichu Lake. Question number 45. Which mountain range and glacier are visible from the ridge ground in Shimla? Option A, Sonapani Glacier. B, Gefang. C, both. D, none. The correct answer is option number C, both. Question number 46. Which republic fought for Kaurva in Mahabharata's war? Option A, Kuninda. B, Trigarta. C, Audambaras. D, Aryans. The correct answer is option number B, Trigarta. Question number 47. Raja Sharman Chandra was the brother-in-law of option A, Yudhishthir. B, Duryodhan. C, Karan. D, Siddharth. The correct answer is option number D, Siddharth. Question number 48. Bushehar state in Rampur was established by option A, Vanasur. B, Lord Krishna. C, Lord Shiva. D, Jalandhara. The correct answer is option number A, Manasur. Question number 49. Who shifted his capital from Sarahan to Rampur? Option A, Raja Heer Singh. B, Raja Ram Singh. C, Deepchand. D, Deenchand. The correct answer is option number B, Raja Ram Singh. Question number 50. Sirmaur was plundered by Taimur in option A, 1300 1991. B, 1398-99 AD. C, 1400 92 AD. D, 1298 and 99 AD. Option B, 1398 to 99 AD. Question number 51. Amar Singh Thapa of Nepal tried to capture Kangra Fort in 1805 to 1809 AD, but under the Treaty of Jwalamukhi had to surrender it to option A, Maharaja Ranjit Singh. B, Maharaja Veer Singh. C, Surya Sen. D, Maharaja Ranveer Singh. The correct answer option number A, Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Question number 52. After getting defeated at the hands of Maharaja Sansar Chand, where did Gorkha commander Amar Singh Thapa take shelter after banishing the Bhagal rulers? Option A, Arki, B. Kunihar, C. Bilaspur, D. Junga. The correct answer is option number B, Kunihar. Question number 53. Who led Dhami Prajamandal movement? Option A, Pandit Bhavani Prasad, B. Pandit Sitaram, C. Pandit Padamdev, C. D. None of them. The correct answer option number B, Pandit Sitaram. Question number 54. When was Bhai Dona Paido movement, an extension of civil disobedience movement, launched? Option A, 1941 AD, B. 1942 AD, C. 1939 AD, D. 1940 AD. The correct answer option number C, 1939 AD. Question number 55. The historical building in which Shimla Pact was signed. Option A, Bernays Court, B. Ersley Building, C. Vice Regal Lodge, D. Auckland House. The correct answer option number A, Bernays Court. Question number 56. Which is the largest parliamentary constituency of Himachal Pradesh and second in India? Option A, Kangra, B. Shimla, C. Mandi, D. Hamirpur. The correct answer option number C, Mandi. Question number 57. The first building in Shimla with electric lights was option A, Vice Regal Lodge, B. Armsdale, C. Bernays Court, D. Curzon House. The correct answer is option number A, Vice Regal Lodge. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, please do share it. Thank you.